These elite sports kids shin guards in pink are thoughtfully shaped to follow a child's lower leg, so they sit securely without digging in during kicks or footwork drills. The padding over the shin and instep is generously thick for this size class, giving young beginners solid protection while still letting them move freely in Muay Thai, mixed martial arts, or kickboxing classes. Stretchy panels and adjustable straps help the guards hug smaller legs without sliding around, which is especially useful for energetic children between early grade school ages. The outer materials feel durable enough to handle frequent gym sessions and playful backyard sparring without quickly fraying or losing their structure. Parents will appreciate that the smooth lining and synthetic shell wipe down easily and do not hold on to sweat smells the way cheaper foam guards often do. The bright pink color and clean design give kids a bit of style and visibility in the gym, which can boost their confidence when they are just starting out.